Alright, same shit, different day. Give me a top-down analysis. Still on daily. Look at what it looks like. Alright, we're still. Actually, we look like we're going back bullish. 4 hour time frame. I find my key points of area. Just key areas, which is mostly my 4 hour highs, 4 hour lows, just like every time. Right, but below these 4 hour lows, it's a major imbalance. And I would take sales below there. It would be like a copycat trade from this day over here, where the market shot all the way up, below these 4 hour lows, and imbalance the field shot all the way back down. Hoping it would be a copycat trade, the same shit. Um, Above these 4 hour highs was also good. Um, has a little wick fill up here on a daily time frame. That's a wick that needs to be filled, as well as some imbalances as well as we're already in a bullish structure. Our time frame, I find which trend is mostly trending, like, which one will I trade, which one will I trend. And I see we're mostly bullish, so I take buys mostly, but I'm not against sales at all. I would definitely take a sell too. And I go to my 15-minute time frame, I find my structure and my supply and my demands. Trade off those, right? Just like support and resistance areas, I guess you could think about them. 5 minute time frame, I'll do the same shit. Just find my support and my resistance areas. Well, it's basically the same area from the 15 minute. I'm just like sizing it down with the 5 minute. Right, as you can see, I got this zone right here. Get all the depth in here. Yeah, that's open. Let's see what the fuck happens. 5 minute, I just see and just shrink the zones a little bit. You can see this holding a little resistance around this area. Like right before this imbalance, you can see the market steady rejects this area every time it comes down to it, and it rejected like 4 times already. Um, so yeah, could buy at that moment, but yeah, let's just wait and see. All right, so I'm having two scenarios play out in my head. One, price sinks down, breaks this buying trend line, is breaking this 350 quarter level, as well as these like this is low key like kind of a support, as well as see, I like the support and demands. I mean the supply and demands that have like support and resistance into them. As you can see, one area right here, you can cross it. Also see it like has over here like this area is just you know has traffic candle history in there. So one scenario number one is market breaks this buying trend line as well as a support area as well as this 350 quarter level. I'll take that and hoping that it just breaks that, do a copycat trade, sells all the way down. Boom. Scenario number two is market bounces off of this buying trend line. It breaks this 400 quarter level as well as this like obviously these are highs over here. These are the 4 hour highs right before this daily wick fill. This will just be good positioning. I have my stops under the lows, and those are the two scenarios I'm working with right now. It's kind of like close to price, so I might take buys at the bell or sales at the bell or whatever. But we're just gonna see. All right, so I did enter at that 400 quarter level, no caps on one position. I'm gonna put my stops at the lows. My entry is exactly at 402. I will put my stop loss down here below these lows, which is like 32 pips. Um, let me turn it down. All right, I got my stops at these lows. My first target is obviously this level right here, this high, which is also like 32 pips, which is like a 1-to-1. Um, my next targeted area would be here, and then after there, it's like my TP2, my TP3 would be like around here, I guess. No gato cap. No gato cap. Pretty aggressive entry. Market been having kind of aggressive entries at the buy level. Oh, dang. Oh, got the okay. Why? Why? Having a hard reverse at the 400 quarter level. I'm just gonna hold my stop loss right there. My stop loss placement is pretty good. I don't care. Yeah, let's just wait and see. If this candle can stay above this 4 hour quarter level, I'll be more confident to hold it. Obviously, because it's just like confirming like bullishness. I want these candles to break these highs right here before it ends up breaking these lows, which it just did. So I'm kind of confident in this trade, and let's just hold it to our TPs. That bitch hit my stop loss, which well, it just broke under these lows, and I got out because I wouldn't want to hold it because if it was breaking those lows, it could potentially keep going lower. Now it's breaking this selling trend line, this buying trend line. I mean, no, Gato, get your asshole. I entered once it broke this quarter level again. Currently up a couple pips. Let's just hope it keeps making highs and keeps going up. I got it at this take profit, which is 100 pips. And I think I'm gonna actually hold it till it gets up there. I'm gonna take profit when it gets to like five. I'm gonna take profit on two positions when I get to $500 just to clear my loss that I made when I first entered, and I'm gonna let the other two positions run until yeah, and boom, that's what we got going on for now. All right, so we enter buys again after this bitch broke the 400 quarter level, man. Basically the same entry, because we're feeling biased. The trend is bullish. Everything is giving bullish. It's rejecting off of this demand zone right here. It's keep giving wicks to the downside. Everything's just giving bullish. And so we kind of hit our TP1, right, which was a one-to-one risk reward. But that's not where I want to take profit at because I believe this trade can go so much further. It kind of hit this area too, which is kind of was like a take profit too, I guess you could say. But ultimately, we wanted to go. I wanted to go all the way up here. Not gonna lie, which is 100 pips. If it starts dropping, I'm gonna close all positions. I would, but let's just hope this should just keep buying and show me something good. Like if it breaks this high, I would like that around this 450 level, 450 quarter level. If it breaks that, I would really like that. And yeah, let's just hope the market give it to us. Not every day is a perfect day. But let's just see. Wait. All right. So boom, she's breaking above this 450 quarter level, which I like to see. We're up 650, but like I said, today we're kind of aiming for 1500. Never had a $1,500 day on this funded account. Um, but like I said, I lost 400 the first trade that I took, and so I want like 500 to make up for that, and then I want to go ahead and get 2%. And honestly, this could be the trade right here that passes this challenge. It has a lot of potential, and I don't really want to leave money on the table, so I think I'm gonna hold this shit, and potentially it could pass the whole trade. But let's just see. Let's see. All right, so the market is playing around this 450 quarter level. Um, I'm hoping she just fucking, just smacks that shit and break through. Up like for all this is probably like 25 pips. Well, my best entry is because I have 4 entries on here. My best entry is 403 though, so that's up like 30 pips right now. Nothing too major. Uh, yeah, we're just gonna keep waiting and see what the fuck she does. So once it breaks this 450 quarter level on MetaTrader, I'm not sure if you can see where that green line at. Once it breaks that 450 quarter level right there, I'm gonna start moving my stops, not to break even, but like in profit, because you want to soak as much as you can out of the trade. So I'm gonna move like 2 position stops under that position. I mean under that candle, just so I can like if it comes back down, obviously I'm gonna get me some profit out of there. I'm leaving with something, you know what I mean? I'm leaving with something. We're giving straight bullishness. Like none of these candles are saying, "Hey, I want to sell." So It's like that's what because low key like at my take profit too. This is like one of the areas where the market can like reverse because it's like one of my little take profit areas. But I'm just it's giving bullishness, so I'm gonna keep holding it. Hold on, just keep going up, just keep going up. Like what are you shot for? Don't be shot today. Don't be shot today, motherfucker. Well, hello, motherfucker. You ever heard that? The little kid. Okay, motherfucker. Cool, cool. We gotta take profit, but we still don't have a stop. Well, we know where our stop loss will be at, but we ain't set one yet. I like that counter that just happened on the 1 minute. It broke like two different highs, and it broke past that 150 quarter level. Just keep fucking buying. That's how I'm feeling. I'm not gonna put this camera back on until this bitch drops down and hit a stop loss, drops up and hit my take profit. Cause yeah, but I do like what it's doing right now. We don't have no selling candles. This is just giving straight bullish momentum, which is kind of letting me know like the buyers are in control right now. The sellers don't have enough power. The buyers are just, they're overpowering the sellers. So yeah, it's up $910 right now. Um, I guess 600 more to go. Like I said, I'm trying to aim for, um, what's my face? What am I? 1500. 1500, kind of what I'm going for today. I'm gonna exit these two positions right here because you gotta secure your money, man. I'm gonna take one of these positions off right here. Should I take another one off? Leave me at 1 7. I'm gonna take another one off too. No, actually, I'm gonna leave those on. I'm gonna leave those on. I'm gonna leave those on. 15, 16.5. Yeah. So basically, my take profit areas is 500 quarter level. So like going up 50 more pips is my take profit. Well, I was up a couple pips. I was up like 800 at most. Um, but I lost 400 first trade. So I guess you could say I was up like 400 at most. Um, but the market came back down and hit me at break even. So I mean, shit, that bitch just stopped me out. So I'm not really gonna be looking for any more trades unless it keeps dropping to the downside and I get a selling position. But other than that, I'm not really feeling biased because that bitch just like tumbled back down. So I'm not really sure about it. So I think that might be the last trade for today. It's only $250 profit, but it did. I'm back in profit because my first trade was a losing trade. So back in profit, I guess you could think of that as like a $750 win. For the week, we're up $593. So we're still up 1% for this week, and it's only Wednesday. So yeah, I guess that's it.